Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see a general energy check for whosoever is watching this. So it's going to be a love reading. So watch if you're interested to watch a love reading. Otherwise, bye-bye. And if you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, then the link is in the description. The name is also popping on the screen. And hold on a second, let me have water and then we will start. Some of you, the message is to stay hydrated. Drink your water. Alright, let's see messages for my viewers, please. Give me message for viewers watching this. What is up with their love life? Knight of Wands, what is up? I see that there is someone who has a lot of passion for you or who had a lot of passion for you. But the problem is that this person lacks stability because Knight of Wands is not a very good card when it comes to marriage and stability, alright? So I see there's someone who kind of confuses you. You are hoping for a be-all, end-all marriage with this person, but they are more in like a friends with benefit kind of situation. And I think you guys were friends with benefit. You were friends. You were looking for commitment and this person is trying to keep it casual. You are hoping for more than what it was between both of you, but this person is still trying to play it safe and keep it casual. However, I see passion. You are having more of emotions and this person has more of passion towards you. Okay, what else? Yeah, World card. You really feel that if you started a connection with them, you should really end up together. But this person, they're not taking action towards you. You're really hoping for marriage, some of you, isn't it? But this person is draining you. I see this person is unnecessarily trying to confuse things. They're not giving you what you want. That is why you feel it's not good to basically stay there and wait for this person. You're basically losing your shit over the situation. However, you love this person a lot. There's a lot of love from your side. Some of you dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio here. Aries, Leo, Sag. So okay, let me just kind of summarize it for you. I see that there was a friends with benefit situation or there was a casual connection, but you kind of got involved, your emotions came between and now you're hoping for something more. Your person is also having passion for you. I'm not saying that they don't, but they're trying to keep it very casual and you are hoping for more. And you feel that if this person cannot give me this, then let me just better stop talking to this person at all. Like, what's the point of staying friends or what's the point of staying friends with benefit if this cannot proceed to anything? I am not going to indulge. That is your energy right now. Okay, give me some energy about this person. Magician, this person is a game player. This person is not what they appear to you. I definitely see that there is more to this person that you can see with your naked eyes, all right? Because we have the Magician card. It's not a very good card when it comes to somebody's personality. This person definitely is a charmer. They are very intelligent. They might be like an all-rounder kind of a person. They are acing in their life. They're really good in their career. But when it comes to expression, when it comes to clear expression, this person tries to hide a lot of things. And that is why you feel you can never trust this person, because they hide a lot. And you kind of know that they hide a lot, and that's like the worst thing to happen when your person is playing games and you know them already, and then you have to kind of put up with their BS. So it's that kind of a situation. You're not able to trust this person, yes, because of their gameplays that you already know. You are hoping for a marriage with this person. Like, you are like no BS, straight to the top kind of a situation, and this person is trying to go in circles with you and you're not liking it. You don't have time for games. You're like, yeah, see, you don't have time for games. You're like, talk to me straight up, otherwise leave. I don't have time for your games. So you're very, very sure about it as to what are your priorities. You're not going to go and sit and wait for this person to change or become better. No, you're not doing that. You're like, if you cannot give me this, bye. So I see that you're trying to move on, but however, you had a lot of love for this person. That is something that I keep on seeing, that you had a lot of love, but now you feel that everything is going in vain. You're like, why did I work so much for you? Or why was I hoping for this connection? It did not even turn it into anything that I was hoping. So you are kind of disappointed. Eight of Swords. This person has been keeping you stuck for some time, so it's not a recent thing. I see that you have been in this on and off push and pull energy for some time with this person. Let's say this person's feelings towards you, my viewers. 9 of Pentacles. Some of you, this person thinks that you're very beautiful. They think you're very beautiful, you have your shit together. Some of you, they also feel that you make a lot of money. So what did you tell them about your finances, by the way, or your career? Some of you, this person thinks that you're very self-stable. They also know that you don't want them, they are not important for your existence. They very well know that you have your shit sorted, and even without them, you can do really well in your life. All right. So they know that you're a very self-sufficient and independent individual, and you kind of don't need them. They know that. And let me tell you one thing more. This person might be showing you things like they don't care, but whatever they are showing to you is all false, because I see this person secretly keep tabs on you. So they are trying to show to you that they don't care and they are moving on, and they are just busy in other things, but that's not the case. This person still is obsessed, and they keep tabs on you. So as I said, the Magician card again, whatever they show to you is not the complete truth. And the good thing, you know about it. You very well know that this person is playing games. You very well know this person is hiding stuff. But let me tell you more. This person is hiding the fact that they like you, but they are still trying to keep it very casual. So what is the blockage here? Lover's card. Lover's card is the blockage. Some of you, this person is very scared to love. They try to keep it casual, but when it comes about commitment, they get scared. So somebody is a commitment phobic. They love you, yes, but they're very scared to confess or basically commit. They're like, I cannot settle down because then my freedom will go or whatsoever. They try to keep things very light and very casual all the time. All right. As soon as it becomes about commitment, they are scared. What else? What else? I also feel that this person tries to keep things they try to keep their options open, because lovers can also be options. So some of you, this person likes to keep their options open. I also feel this person is a control freak with the Strength card, so they kind of want to tame the situation as per their will. So they try to control everybody and everything. They want everybody and everything in their life to go as per how they want, and if it tries to go in a different way, they don't like it. So that attitude is kind of screwing the connection. First of all, they are very free-spirited, so they want to be single. They don't want to date. They don't want to marry. They don't want to settle down. And for others, I see that this person is a control freak. So they just want to control everything. They don't want anybody else to come and take charge of their life. Okay, what is this person's feelings towards my viewer? 6 of Swords. They are recognizing the fact that you're moving on, and they also know that you're very closed off. They know that you kind of saw their games and you're not done. You are done with them, not done with them. You are done. What is up? Why am I not able to speak? Blah, 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 blah. Is it freaking Mercury retrograde already? This person knows that you're moving on, and they know that you're not interested to play the game that they are already playing with you. They know that you're too mature for the games that they have been playing. All right, this person is also upset. They're low-key obsessed and upset with the fact that you are moving on. They don't want to keep a connection, but then they don't want you to move on as well. Do you understand? They don't want to get married, but then they don't want you to move on. So this person kind of wants to control your life. They want you to act as per them. They also know that you are not going to entertain their drama. So that is why they're like, what do I do? This person is moving on. What do I do? What can I do to control them? This person's next action towards my viewer, please. 7 of Wands. They would want to reach out to you for a common solution. So some of you expect this person coming with a message, and they would tell you things like, can we just resolve our differences and talk again? Why are we not speaking? They are going to be like, what happened? I'm there for you. Why did you stop talking to me? And you'll be like, bitch, aren't you the person that ghosted me? Aren't you the person that was playing games with me? What do you expect me to do? you know. But this person, when they come back to you, they'll be like, can we speak again? Let's just find a solution. Why are you not talking to me? King of Wands. This person, is this a fire sign, or they have a very fiery placement in their chart? This person is like having a lot of passion, you know. Some of you really had good sex with them. I'm so sorry if a kid is watching this, but yeah, I see that you both had a lot of passion and the sex was really good. Ace of Pentacles. See, they would want to talk to you. I see they want to communicate, but some of you, you feel you're done with their shit, so you don't want to communicate. Like, they want to talk, you don't want to talk. Or you just want this person to come correct. You're like, if you want to talk, talk sense, talk maturity, otherwise don't talk to me. You're like, I am too busy for your games. You're also very, very focused on your own money, your own stability. Yeah, just when I said that with the Emperor card, you're very focused to make things happen in your life. You might have started a new job, or you're just aiming for a hike, or you want a promotion in your life. You're just too focused to level up in your own life and grow in your own life. Some of you, you want to become a boss in your workspace, and you're working really hard for that. Why is this person wanting to come back? What is their agenda? Knight of Swords. Regrets. This person regrets playing you. That's why they want to come back. This person also regrets the fact that they were just trying to have friends with benefit or casual thing with you. That is why they want to come back. Three of Cups. Yeah, they want to have a reunion with you, and they just kind of feel that they lost a very good friend, or they lost somebody who always had their back. Like, when this person was with you, they really enjoyed your company and you guys really spent some good time, and now they're missing that and they don't like it. Okay, what else? Temperance. They want to balance this with you. They feel that you both are really good together, like you just complete each other. So low-key, this person is guilty, but they might not accept it on your face because they are too proud for that. However, I see this person coming towards you for sure. They want to come back to you. They want to balance things with you. They just want to right the wrong that they did. However, this person is very secretive as well. So I'm just warning you, be very careful dealing with them. Three of Pentacles. They want to cooperate with you. Some of you, this is a workspace situation. You guys were colleagues maybe. Or you were like studying in the same school or college, or I don't know, something about work in a close network circle. This person was from your close network circle. Like, they were friends, definitely. They were first friends, and then whatever happened. They really miss the time that both of you spent, and I think you really spent some quality time with the Three of Cups, Three of Pentacles. You guys have partied a lot. You guys have roamed around a lot. You guys have gone for movies and dinner dates and lunch dates. They really miss all of that with you. They're like, oh my God, I just missed a friend. I fucked a situation I should not have. So they have guilt. And they want to come correct with you. That's why, you know. Like, you know, they say that if you're a lover, then you might just separate and the person might not regret it. But if you're friends, like you're good friends, and then somebody kind of fucks the situation, they miss the friendship at least, you know. Sun card. They're very optimistic. They want to come back to you. They feel that you are their happy space. You are their home. They really feel that kind of comfort with you. You really gave a lot of emotional support to this person whenever they needed. But they still were keeping their options open. They were just not acting correct. They were just acting like a kid in the past, you know. So they kind of forced you to move on, and now when you're moving on, they are not liking it. This person also stalks you if you don't already know. Alright, so future action of my viewer towards this person. For once, you want this person, but you want them to come correct. You also want them to put in more work. You want them to level up and not behave like a child. You have made your mind that till the time this person does not come correct and level up, you're not going to entertain it. So you're very closed off. You're like, if you cannot behave, don't come to me. If you cannot put in the work, don't come to me. You are in that energy for sure. But you would also want something more with this person. I see that. Some of you are manifesting a new beginning in love. So it could be a new person as well for some of you. Like, if you don't want this person at all, then it's a new person. But if you want this person, then this could be that, right? I definitely see a commitment in your future for sure. It could be in 4 to 8 months from now. So it could be a new person, or could be this person coming as a new person. Something about this person or a new person who is very mature coming towards you. I see a lot of maturity in your future, like a very stable, mature kind of a person coming in. Seven of Pentacles. Also, your money is improving, by the way. You have been doing something about your money and it is going to give you results. So it's like right now you are sowing the seeds and it's going to nurture really well and give you a lot of returns. Alright, message for my viewers in love, please. Make the effort. Wasn't I telling you? This person is ready to make the effort for you. Some of you, you're not even paying attention because you know this person is anyway going to make the effort. So you're like, whatever. Yeah, some of you, you have different religion, culture, community background. So maybe that was an issue. It is safe for you to love. Yeah, this person is coming in, don't worry. It is safe. For others of you, this could be a new person coming towards you. Could be from a different religion, culture, background. Initially, it could be a problem, but ultimately, I see with efforts, things are going to go well. Some of you, definitely, your person is very different from your usual type and expectation. So a lot of hard work will be needed for you guys to be together, you know, because you will obviously have to convince people to get married to each other. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.